welcome to my channel. Today I will show you how to draw a super easy red panda from turning red. Let's get started. Okay, first we're gonna draw the nose. The nose is just a little circle and draw the nostrils. And then you could draw the happy face. So it's gonna be like that, but then you connect it on the top like this. It doesn't have to be perfect. And then for the mouth, it's like a little bean. So you have to just make it like this and pretend it goes behind. And then this, like that. Then draw the tongue. And now the teeth. The teeth are kind of simple. So draw the sharp part, and then here, draw the sharp part like this, and then just connect it like that. All right, now we're gonna draw the eyes. Just gonna draw a circle, and like this. On the side, pretend a mouse took a bite out of it. It's like that. Then the pupil, you could draw a little highlight. All right. Same with the other side. Take a bite, then circle, and highlight. All right. So that's the face part. Now, just a teensy bit above it, you can draw the eyebrows. They're like little ovals. Just like that. And now, right on the side of it, kind of, we can draw the little fluff. So, like this, then around it, like this, and then you could do it on the other side. The arm is going to be like over here, so you could leave that. And now, just like this, so it kind of looks the same. And now, to connect it, you could draw the head. Then, you could draw a little hair. Just like that. And now, the ears. So, you could start off with a little floop, like this. Same with the other side. Just two little mountains. It kind of looks like a duck mouth if you connected it like that. But then you have to draw a big mountain. So big mountain and little mountain, little mountain. Same here. Okay, like this. Now the inside. So draw a wave like this, and then a floop, and then again, same on the other side, like that. All right, so over here, where we cut off the side, we can draw the arm. So you could just connect that. And now behind that, kind of, this. So like this. And now, just draw the lumps, like little frog eyes. And then finish. Oh. Now, you could draw more fluffs, like this. And then, fluff pads. this. And then the belly like this. And then the other arm. So she's super happy. And we like that. Then mountains. And then behind this will be like that. Like this again. And then 2 lumps. Now the paw pads. Just like this. You can draw fluffs of extra fur anywhere you want. That and like that. Anywhere you want. Alright. We're done drawing. It's time to color. I'm gonna use these colors. This light walnut. This pale peach. This carmine red. Scarlet Lake. Eggplant. And crimson red. All right. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you had fun drawing with me. Make sure to like and subscribe. Bye!